is going on, RC fam? How are you guys doing today? So today, another great day. It is Monday, guys. Hope you guys feeling well today. So right now, we're getting ready to leave, head out the house. Got to go get the kids. It's time to get them out of school. We got Cora and Quentin over there playing as usual. Wifey's actually in the bathroom getting ready, getting all prettified like she normally does. We're getting ready to head out right now. Go get the kids from school, and then we're going to make a cool stop, special stop. There is this exotic pet store, exotic bird store here locally in Phoenix. It's not too far away from the house. We're going to go up there, take the kids, because the smaller kids have never actually been there. So it's really cool. You can go there, and they got birds everywhere, from South American birds to rare African birds to huge parrots, and you can touch them and play with them and do all kind of cool stuff. And they're like literally everywhere. It's like a huge playground for bird lovers. So we're gonna go there, take the kids there so they can kind of chill, and we're gonna bring you guys along with us. And let's see if we can go. So yeah, we're gonna head out right now, guys. So we will catch up with you guys shortly. I was gonna wait till Wifey said hello to everybody, but we got to get out of here. So we'll catch you guys in a bit. We'll bring you guys back in a second. All right, see you guys in a bit. What's up, RC fam? How you guys doing? So we are back. So just a minute ago, I was telling you guys we're going to be going to someplace special today. Now, we're at the kids' school right now, picking them up. They're at school over there. It's almost time to pick them up. The kids in the back, the other kids. Say hi, Quentin. Say hi, Cora. Okay, they're just going to stare at the camera. So I don't know how good the audio is, but I know the air is blowing in the car. It's hot out here, guys, so you gotta have that AC in Phoenix, so can't go without it. But yeah, we're just waiting on them to get out. We're gonna head to this exotic bird store. It's pretty awesome, guys. We have been there once before, but it's an awesome store, man. I don't know if you guys have any places like that locally, but it's a great place to take kids, and you don't get to see, most kids don't get to see stuff like that every day, so it's kind of neat every now and then to go up there, see what they got new, and play with the birds, and they got all kind of cool stuff. So how you feeling today, baby? Talking to the people? You're not gonna talk? Okay, so she's not talking right now. But yeah, well, I guess we'll catch up with you guys shortly in a little bit. Once we get to the store, we'll see you guys then. All right. So what's up, RC fam? How you guys doing? We just now made it to the pet store. I do have to ask if I can film in here. If we can film in here, I will ask the owner or manager, whatever the case may be, if it's okay to film in here. So if we can, and all good, hopefully we can, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and go in. I got the fam, Wifey, Noel, Jordan over there. Okay. And we're gonna go in here and have a little bit of fun. All right. Alright, awesome, guys. So we got permission to go ahead and film here. So this is the exotic bird store. You see they have birds everywhere, guys. Everywhere. All different kind of birds. Everything you can think of that you may need for a bird, not in this, well, for a bird, they got it here. So see what they got. They got Quentin down there, excited about the birds. Noel back there. What's up, son? How you feeling, man?
Thirsty.
Thirsty? I knew it. So they just got out of school, so. Alright, so we're going to walk around and look at some of these cool birds, guys. We'll be back in a little bit. Hey, buddy. Up. He ran away. Up. Where you going?
2,000 years later.
Hey, but where you going? I'm trying to see you. Look, come here, man. We could be friends. I know him doesn't. All right, let's move on. He's dodging. What is going on, RC fam? So we left the exotic pet store. We stopped at Wendy's to get some food. So we're here actually at Toys R Us. Got the fam, got wifey here, got little Cora, my son. So we're just kind of walking around.
What up, y'all? I'm being salty today towards this nigga.
I love you anyway.
Maybe next week.
Oh, well. Alright, so we're kind of just walking around looking at different stuff. Just hanging out, chilling. So, hope you guys' day is going well. Oh, by the way, guys, I just uploaded our first reaction to Rick Ross's Rather You Than Me. So you guys go check that out when you get a chance.
Noel.
Just went up today. Great album, by the way. So, looking forward to you guys watching that. So we're just going to walk around and kind of just hang out, like I said before, look at a few different things. Really looking at, like, summer stuff. You know, because it's summertime coming up. So, alright, guys, BRB. See you guys in a little bit. What's up, guys? We are back still in Toys R Us. Noel over there being silly. You gonna get in the whip, Noel? Get in the whip. You looking a little, the whip's looking a little snug, Noel. Look a little small. Tad bit. Anyway, guys, so we still walking around looking at a bunch. They got a, which one? This one's a sniper.
Nope.
They got the, oh, they got the round drum.
I want the zombie strike here, boy. Bring that here, boy.
Oh, that's the one like
no, everybody need to pick one. I know which one I want. I'm getting the Megan.
all right, so
Nope, I know which one I'm getting. Come here.
what?
She wants that one.
On this side? All right, so Jordan wants to look at something different. We all got to pick one Nerf gun.
Here you go.
Oh, you got the UNSC. Okay. Babe, he wants the Halo one. It's a Halo one on this side. I don't know which one I want. Actually, I have to go look on the other side. I don't think they have the one I want on this side. So they got some Halo themed Nerf guns.
Yeah, this looks like the machine gun from Doom.
Yeah.
Damn, boy.
So
Guys.
that red one right there.
Why wouldn't you have
And that looks like the chain, the Lancer from Gears of War. Me? The one. Let me show you.
I chose this rank.
This one over here, baby. Alright, guys, so this is the one I want. So this is the one that I want. You sure you want that one? How you doing? What's son over there looking at the pistol, Halo gun. He's right here.